I think the dynamic of, I don't know, player, popular guy, alpha has been many terms over the decades. Actually being empowered and emotionally intelligent in that conversation is what it feels like I'm taking on for myself. Leading my way through it and logistical structures of how this shit is going to best suit me that I'm not used to operating. I'm really unplugging that, yeah, the last time I did this was you're the one programming. So that's the same thing I'm doing. And when you multiply that shit by 20, you fucking fry a wire because you can't operate that way. I'm taking these distinctions on because this is truly what I see the work. Like, no joke, it's not about pussy, it's not about feminine, any one particular thing, but how you take on managing the conversation for your standards of abundance, because that's what's behind the leading. Like you said, you built it perfect. If my bubble, my world that I'm bringing this feminine into, they need to know what days can I talk to you? How and when can I be available? For me, those are all the things that I've been bouncing and managing as I felt obligated, responsible for containing that dynamic, because that if I like your personality, if we're talking, we're engaging, it filters out the ones that can't take my comedy. It filters out the ones that hear my profession, my career, and, oh, I hear Kevin Samuels, I don't like this, or blah, blah, blah. And that offends and pushes them away. Like, just that simplicity, but that saves me so much time. I'm actually qualifying my shit. But when you're doing that on this side, managing to lead it with 20 or 30 at the same time, my masculine, my ego even, to contain and manage 20 something conversations, 10 conversations of you're the one and we're talking like this, let alone I'm over here, well, I'm not feeling that over here. I really like this one. Oh, I think I really just want to fuck this one. Or this one, nah, that energy, we could only be friends. Oh yeah, she one of the homies. We might kick it one day. I'm going through all that. They're showing up and expecting, is this guy serious about being the one? And I'm feeling, because I'm feeling for feminine, that's what I think I was feeling, is the guilt towards.